Welcome back to my channel again. Today's video is about Toyota Corolla misfiring and shaking while he's driving on the highway, and he pulled over and called the road assistant, bring car up here in our workshop, and we check it, and this is how it goes. Today we have here a Toyota Corolla 2011 model, and he just came in with a check engine lights on and engine misfiring. So we scan it, and we have this code here. Yeah, so cylinder 1 misfire detected. So yeah, we're just open the cylinder 1 ignition coil, and we have also to check the spark plug condition.
Sure, this one is that one.
Yeah, it's black.
This should be replaced as well.
Yeah. Just recommend the
Plug
plug and one ignition coil.
cylinder one.
Yeah. So for this one, we need to replace the 4 spark plug, because the condition of the spark plug is really black and it's not igniting properly. So we have to replace the coil pack also. So that's all for now, guys. We have to replace it first, and then see how it goes. So yan, napalitan na natin ng ignition coil at spark plug. So i-rotate niya. Dinilit na natin yung DTC. Tingnan natin uli pag balik niya. Check natin uli yung DTC kung mayroon pa. So check natin uli yung DTC kung mayroon pa.
So we turn the engine off.
Yeah?
Do we switch it off? No need.
Yeah, no DTC anymore. So that's it. All good. Thank you for watching, guys. So yun lang. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Keep watching on my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, MV Auto Service and Repair. Thank you very much, and have a good day.